Hello and welcome to the video about how to mass delete messages in your Gmail account. My name's Sealy Clark. I've been online since 2010. I'm happy and grateful to be your coach and mentor here today, so we'll get right into it. First thing you're going to want to do is go to your Gmail in question. I have one of mine here all set up for an example, and what I have done is gone to the trash section. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to first go to the trash section of whatever email you're in, and you're going to want to empty it. So how do you do that? Well, you go up here. I am in the trash section. You can find that. As you can see here on the left-hand side, Gmail has a menu. Just go down to trash and click on it in the left-hand side. Then it's going to take you to trash, and you can either hit the empty trash now, or you can click on the upper left-hand corner in this square box. That'll select 50 at a time, or you can select all 40,578 in this case, and hit delete forever. So this is an example of mass deleting from somewhere that has already had it filtered or shuttled for you, meaning many of the messages that you see on this video in front of you are from one particular source. So they got shuttled into the trash, something I'd worked on earlier. So I want to get rid of all those so that the trash folder of your Gmail has room for you to mass delete the items that you want to delete. So now this takes several minutes, I do believe, because Gmail is a little wonky at times. So I'm going to hit pause. And once this is done, and once you have deleted everything in your trash, we'll move forward from here. So go ahead and pause this video if you'd like. Go delete out of your trash, and then we'll move forward on how to mass delete messages from your Gmail. So now all the messages in trash have been deleted. So if you didn't go delete all the trash out of your trash, please go ahead and do that now and then come back to this video. So now we have an empty trash bin. I'm going to go back up. I'm going to hit all mail because I have this particular Gmail account filtered. So when I hit all mail, it's going to look as if you had it unfiltered, which is the presumption we're operating off of in this video, is that you have a Gmail account that's very, very full and that you want to learn how to mass delete items from your Gmail account. So what we're going to do is you're going to select the particular thing that you want to delete. You're going to click into the message. Then you're going to go in the upper left-hand corner right here. You're going to copy this. Okay, right here between those two symbols. Copy that. Go back to the inbox. And up in the top where it says search mail, you're going to paste that as plain text. You're going to hit return, and that is going to bring up the mails or the items that you want to delete. And then you're going to click here. And then it says 50 conversations in this page are selected. What you're going to do is directly next to that on the right, there is select all conversations that match this search. You're going to hit that. And then you are going to go to this trash can icon. You can see here, once you click, this says all conversations in this search are selected. So all conversations with what you have put up here in the search function are now at your disposal to dispose of. So once you have that all highlighted again, and it says all conversations in this search are selected, you're going to go up here to this trash can symbol and you're going to hit delete. And it'll confirm bulk action notification will come up. And then you want it to be sure that you want to continue, so you click OK. And then you'll see in the upper middle of your screen it says loading, so that means it's in the process of. Then they'll have a notification on the bottom left says we move some conversations to trash. We'll do the same for any remaining conversations. They're just letting you know it takes a few minutes. So what you're going to have to do here is give that a few minutes to percolate and get rid of the conversations for you. Now, if you're not a patient human such as myself, I choose to go back and do it again. Just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to keep clicking on this and to give you an example of what the mass deletion looks like. So we're going to work our way down through. And again, I selected all of the conversations that match that search. It gave me the same notification. And sometimes Gmail can be wonky, but it is working on deleting all of those in the background for you. Although I've hit that several times, I just wanted to illustrate how to do it. And then within a couple of minutes, all these mails that have that same criteria that you put up in the search box will be selected. And it says here in the upper top and center, it says loading, so you can tell that it's working. And while that's loading, I just wanted to point out some details. So what is going to happen is when you select a message and you select that particular criteria that I showed you to paste into your search bar, you'll see it here, where you pasted it in and where you searched. You'll also see a part of it here, right down below the notification bar, but above your messages. And you'll also see it right here, so that you know you're still in the right place. And now we're going to wait until it deletes all of them. And just so you know, earlier in the video when I did empty my trash, I did put it on pause so that you folks would not have to wait. It took approximately 10 minutes to clear my trash folder. So that is also why I suggest that you empty your trash on the daily and just make sure that you clean out your Gmail and keep it organized on the daily if you are receiving many, many notifications and messages from a variety of sources due to whatever business you're promoting or whatever you're doing online. It is very imperative that you have a clean and streamlined Gmail account. So as you can see here, it's still notifying me that it is still in fact working on it. And I have many, many messages in here. So it has a lot to work on. You see the notifications coming up again. If you see on the screen where things are shifting and moving, I don't know if you caught that, but Gmail is working on it. So do not be concerned if it looks like Gmail isn't doing anything. You just want to pay attention to that notice that they give you in the bottom left-hand corner when it does come up. It'll keep you updated that they are in fact working on it. So I'm going to pause right here and we're going to see how long it takes to clear this mass deletion of this particular criteria that I selected. So I'll give you a rough estimate of how long it'll take you depending. So this usually it can take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes on a short day. It could take even longer on a long day, depending on how backed up your Gmail account is with too many messages. So just as an aside, I did happen to pick a very good Gmail account to use for this demonstration. This thing is packed right full of messages from viral mailers and safe lists that I use to advertise my primary business. And I'd let it get ahead of me a little bit. So this is an actually super duper example of what it takes to unbunch a bunged up Gmail account. So we're going to keep going. Yet again, you just select all the mails that match the criteria you have in the search function. You look and see 50 of them are selected. You hit select all, and then you hit the trash can, and just keep going like that. And so what I'm going to do, as I said, is I'm going to pause this and give this another couple of minutes and give you an idea of how long this will take you. I'm just going to have a best educated guess here in a moment. So I will see you in just 2 seconds. So I'm back, and that took approximately 10 to 15 minutes. And as you can see here, once you're done, you'll look at the information you entered in the search bar. It'll still be there. It'll also be here down below, as I said, in 2 other places, and then you'll see that it's empty. And it says that some messages in trash or spam may match your search, so you know that they're either in trash or spam and they're ready to be permanently deleted. So now you know how to mass delete messages from your Gmail account. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, comment, ask me any questions you have in the comment section. I'd be happy to reply and help you. And Make sure you mash that bell icon, and so you don't miss any more videos coming up from me in the future. And until we talk again, have a great day.